You are welcome to this YouTube channel, Destiny Concepts, and in this video I will be showing you how to use your WPS on your Android phone to do your typing and everything you need to know. But this is the beginner's guide. Stick through the end and I will show you everything you need to know. So firstly, you need to go to your Play Store and download WPS. I have it already, but you can go to your Play Store, search for WPS Office, and then you download it. So I'm going to proceed to opening it since I already have it. Alright, it's open before us already. So all these things are the things I've done on my WPS already. So the first thing you need to do is to click on this create. And then we have a lot of options here. You can use it for presentation, that is the PPT. Let me highlight it. This PPT is for presentation, but what we'll be using is this doc, and that's what we are going to learn today. We also have PDF, XLS, but so what we are doing today is for documents, how to create your Word documents using this WPS. So you are going to click on it, and then we have a lot of templates here, but we are the one that's going to form our own templates. So you are going to click on this blank. So after everything, it will now give us our page. That is this white page you are seeing here, this white background is our page. That is, everything you are doing here is like you are doing it on a paper, and everything that is being done here, once you print it, that is what is going to bring it out for you. So first of all, let's click on the page. Just click on the page, it will pop out your keyboard. For example, let me type something like beginner's guide to WPS. Now hope you see what I've typed. It has shown already. So now the first point I want to start showing you from now is, first of all, the office button. Here is the file, which is the office button. So you are going to click on it. So I'll be showing you a lot of things here, and though this is the beginner's guide, it won't be long. Then I'll drop another video so that we can move on progressively. And if you have not subscribed, click on that subscribe button now and click the thumbs up button so that once I drop new videos, you will be alerted. So now let's continue. First of all, the first thing I want to show you is how to resize. Like, I don't know if you can see this size. Yeah, that place I highlighted. So first of all, any effect, before you make any effect, you need to highlight what you want to make the effect to. So before you highlight, you click it. Once you click it, click what you want to highlight and then drag. And you also see these 2 points. You can drag this. Let me show you. Like this. That thing I showed there. So if you drag it to the right, it will highlight to the right. If you drag it to the left, so mind you, it is what you highlighted that the effect will be on. So now, for example, if I click this size, you see, if I scroll up and scroll down, you see increasing and decreasing. So if you want it, like currently the size is 11. So if I click 20 now, you see that it has increased more than it was. So 16, 12, like minor and all those stuff. So I hope you understand this point. So that's how the size works. So after you are done with this size, what you do is to click this back button and then it will take you back. So hope you understand. And then the second is the fonts. If you see this where they write this Calibri, that's the current font on it. So let's click on it. We'll see a lot of fonts. See a lot. So maybe let's click on this Droid Sans. You see it has changed. See our write-up has changed. So a lot of fonts, see them. So you are the one to choose the one you want. See the way I'm clicking it and it's changing. Maybe let us leave it on this Roboto condensed medium. So then we click on back. So then also we have these symbols. Those symbols, B represent bold, I represent italic, and then U represents underline. So and then that S is a slash. So if I click bold, you see that my word becomes more bolder, and then I can also unbold it. So although maybe let me change it to our default font. Where is it? Let me okay, let me look for it. All right, so let us use this font. So if you click the bold, you see how it become more bolder. And then we also have italic. Once you click it, it will make it italic to bend it. So, and if you want to remove it, you can still click it again and it will return back to normal. And then we also have underline, which is that U. So you can choose how you want your underline to be, maybe this or this. So I hope you understand. So I'm trying to zoom it back. Okay. I want you to understand something. All right, so it has underlined, and then this S, like I told you, is like a slash. So I hope you understand and you get it to this point. So for me to remove the underline, I still need to click that U again. So that is it. And then another thing, like although the default color, the color that most people use and prefer is black, but in case you want to change your color, the color of your text, here is where you will need to change it. So example, if I click this yellow now, you see it turns to yellow, turns to this, turns to that. So that's how WPS worked. And then there are still a lot of things that I need to show you, but then I want to show you one thing for the last time, because I don't want this video to be longer than this. So now let me click it for it to go down. So if you are done with everything, you click on this done. I want to show you how to save, then we'll be done with this video and I will release another video in some few days. So then if you want to save, you see this icon, that icon I highlighted. So you click on it and then they will now suggest to you where do you want to save. Is it in your documents or in your phone? So I preferred my phone. So after you click my phone, it will suggest all your folders to you. You see I've done a lot of things. So this is your phone directly, and then you can still, maybe you want to save it on documents, so maybe this beginner's guide, then we save it. Hope you understand. So I don't know if this video is helpful. If it's helpful, can you please kindly subscribe to this channel, and I'll be very happy and anticipate another video soon. You are welcome.